Are you all right? What's wrong?
I felt a great disturbance in the force, as if millions of voices suddenly cried out in terror and were suddenly silenced. I fear something terrible has happened.
How do you capture the true essence of a fictional tragedy? How does one personally carve out a representation of the destruction of an entire planet that never existed? Alderaan, childhood home of Princess Leia, adopted daughter of Bail Organa, and some other woman who we never really learn her name until that other fictional historical account of older Obi-Wan and little Leia. And I still can't remember her name. But back to Alderaan, and all of its tragic undoing, brought down by the destruction of the Galactic Empire. Its inhabitants known for their love of culture, art, and fancy food. They had no army, no weapons, preferring diplomacy and intellectual pursuits to violence. However, one day, the evil Galactic Empire decided that Alderaan had to be destroyed. And why? Because they didn't like the way the Alderaanians talked? With their fancy accents and flowery language? Well, yes, that was part of it. But mostly it was because an old man and a half-robot wizard could not convince a teenage girl who was not even old enough to buy a shot of Jawa juice to tell them where the rebels' Kager was being held that Saturday night. So they fired up their super weapon, the Death Star, to obliterate the planet. The Alderaanians had no idea what was coming. They were too busy enjoying their poetry readings and sipping on their space lattes to notice the massive, moon-sized space station looming over their planet. The Death Star fired its super laser, and in an instant, Alderaan was no more. The beautiful cities, the stunning landscapes, the thriving culture, all wiped out in a single blast. But little did they know, they just destroyed one of the most valuable sources of art, culture, and the best tapas cantinas in the galaxy. The Alderaanian people had produced countless masterpieces of food, such as the spicy calamari incantation, roasted pork with orange tarragon and garlic glaze, and without doubt, delicately poached Minok wings in Ewok sauce. The Empire also robbed us of their wealth of knowledge, particularly their wonderful spontaneous flash mobs that broke out in interpretive dance based on Gamorrean mating rituals, a breathtaking sight, to be sure. Now, all that was gone, and the galaxy a little less bright. The Empire had succeeded in destroying a planet, but what cost? The loss of culture and knowledge was immeasurable. And worst of all, they had done it all because they couldn't convince a teenage girl to tell them where all the rebels liked to party. However, the people of Alderaan were not easily forgotten. They became martyrs for the cause of freedom, their memory inspiring generations of rebels and resistance fighters. They also became a cautionary tale, a warning of the dangers of unchecked power and importance of standing up to tyranny. And so, even though Alderaan is gone, its spirit lives on. And through the power of a morbid geek's imagination, we now have a little piece of it here, a memorial made of styrofoam and paint. It helps us remember the sacrifice of all those that died in this pretend world, created by a guy who likes space stuff for nerds like me to obsess over. I know I will never forget what they didn't sacrifice because they were never real. I will never forget their fragile lives that were not lost because Alderaan is just a fictional planet in space. I will never forget because now I have a fake rock memorial to remind me.